Hello there, my Kto12. Welcome to episode 11 of Try Robotics. Last week, we had so much fun with our Kto12 robot, making it as a sumo bot, competing with my homemade mini bot. And tonight, I'll show you some other secrets of our Kto12 robot that I haven't showed you before yet. And we'll see the sample programs for our Kto12 robot that you can use in your future projects. Let's start. Tonight, my Kto12, what I'll be showing you are the additional features of our Kto12 robot. So as usual, let's open our Arduino and let's make it a little bit bigger. Perhaps that should be enough. Tonight we will not be using ArduBlock, but instead I'll be showing you the examples because the Kto12 robot has built-in sample programs with it that you can use without using the ArduBlock, without programming anything. So all you need to do is select the program you want and then upload it on your Kto12 robot. So that is done by going to File and then Examples, and if you go down you will see eGizmo Kto12Bot, and it will show you a lot of sample programs that's available in our Kto12 robot. So let's start with the first one. Let's try headlights, and it should open the Arduino code or program that will test the headlights. So you see, if you see on our Kto12 robot, what it did was actually turned on the headlights for 3 seconds, and then it turns on the RGB light. I think you will have a better view this way. So this is the RGB light. It turns that on, and then we'll have the signal light. Let's wait for that. So basically this program will just be testing the lights on our Kto12 robot. Now if you have a bit of a background about C++ programming using the Arduino, so basically you get an idea how things are done, and you can actually copy all these functions and use it in your project. Okay, so let's close that one and let's open up another example by going to File, Examples, and then let's go down Kto12Bot, light and dark sensor. Let's try that. Where is it? Oh, here. This is the light and dark sensor. Now let's see what it does by clicking on Upload. There, it's done uploading. So basically, yeah, here's the description of the program. Sketch for sensing the ambient and turn on the headlight if dark, or turn off the headlight if there's a light. So that the headlight now is turned off, so let's cover the light sensor and let's see what happens. There, turns on the lights once we cover the light sensor, and when we remove the cover, it will sense the light in the room. Looks like the room light is not enough, so I'm gonna use an external light, flashlight, to point to the light indicator or the light sensor. You see? So it's turned off. Now I'm going to cover it again, and the light turns on. Remove the cover, put some light, and it turns off. You remember perhaps one of our projects that we use this light sensor, and that's how it's done using the Arduino program. And again, you don't have to worry about how to learn it or how to use it for now. We will have that perhaps in our season 2 of Try Robotics, but for now all you need to know is that that is available in our Kto12 robot. Let's try another one. Example, Kto12Bot. Let's try the motor test. So basically, okay, let's wait here. So it says that this sketch for testing the motor, it has forward, reverse, stop, turn left, turn right, extreme left, and extreme right directions with headlights and backward alarm. It says uploading. There it's forwarding. Turn left, turn right, extreme left, extreme right. So you see, it's testing everything, the motors, the lights, as well as our speaker. Alright, so that works. The next thing that we will test is the examples, Kto12Bot, motor test. Let's check the sensors. Okay, let's wait for it. It's here. Now let's upload this one. Alright, so this is already uploaded, and what it's saying is that this sensor sketch with serial monitoring display, this sketch showing you the value of output reads from the sensor, such as the LDR, the distance, the sound, digital, analog, and vibration. That's interesting. So if you would like to know how all the sensors are used, so this is here, and since that is already uploaded, let's sorry, not that one. Let's open our serial monitor, and this is this one, this button right here. So let's click on that. It will open the serial monitor, and it will show us everything that we need to know. For example, the value of LDR is around 700 to 800. The value of the distance sensor, which is the ultrasonic, is 127. So let's try to cover again our light sensor. So that's 700 to 800, right? So if I close this, cover it, there, changes to 900 plus. All right. Now the distance, it's reading 128, 24, 25. If I place an object right in front of it, so it's showing 7. Okay, and move closer. 5, 4, 3. There you go. So we can see all the sensors are reading everything all at the same time. And then mic D is the digital value of the microphone. Currently it's showing 0. On the analog value, while I'm talking, it's showing 500 plus. Let's say I clap, clap, and you see it's changing the value from 0. We saw a lot of ones here a while ago, and then the mic analog is changing as well. It's getting lower, around 400 400 value. And then the vibration sensor currently is showing 0, but let's try to tap our robot. Tap the table. It's not strong enough. Perhaps let's put it this way. And then there. There. So you see the vibration, the vibrate value is changing from 0 to 1, which means that it's actually the vibration. So there, that's how you read, or that's how you know that the sensors are working, if you would like to verify if the sensor is still working. Okay, let's close that and let's open another one. Examples. Kto12. Siren sounds. Let's try that. Okay, let's open here. It says here, this code is for sound alarm siren add-ons to your applications. What do we get? We get a Mario here. Then you can just enable anything that you like, but for now what's enabled is the Mario. You see, to enable stuff, just remove this comment, the double slash, which makes this line of code a comment, so the program will not read that. So the only thing that it will read is the keyboard. Alright, let's try that. There. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna comment out the Kto12Bot.Mario, and then let's uncomment this too for ambulance. Alright, let's test that. I'll click upload. It's now uploading. There. So basically that's how it works. It gives us an idea of how these are done. Okay, so let's close this. Let's click on no, open file examples again. Kto12. Let's try the sound sensor. Here. So it says that it's a sample code for getting the sound sensor's data with headlights indicators, and then the motor will move forward and stop and displays on the serial monitor. Okay, let's see. So if it reads that there is a sound on the microphone, what it will do is it will move forward the robot. It will turn on the headlight. It will do that for 2 minutes, and then 2 seconds. But if there's no sound on the microphone, it will turn that off and stop the motor. hold on, why don't we put this here as well to make sure that it will actually stop after 2 seconds. Alright, you see it's just a simple copy paste, and well, let's click upload. There, so it says that it should right there, so it sends my voice, so the motor turned on as well as the lights, and you will see it here. I must be speaking that loud so that the microphone will not hear me. Okay, stop. Of course, it doesn't read that. It only reads when there is a sound, and it's supposed to stop after 2 seconds. So I'll keep quiet. So when there's okay. This is the hardest program to test because it doesn't allow me to speak. When I speak, it senses my voice and it's running the motors. Okay, so let's close that one. No. And then we have some more examples. Kto12Bot. There. So you saw this. I did it using the Arduino block. So let's just see how it is done using C++ program. It's right here, but basically what it does is it initializes the ultrasonic sensor, and then it's reading if the object in front of it is less than 6 centimeters. It will move forward in full speed, and the left and right signal lights will turn on, and it will do that for 1 second. And if there's no opponent, if it's greater than 6, then it will just go extreme right for a normal speed. Let's try that. Let's upload it and let's see if it works. There, so it's doing an extreme right now. You can see this motor is moving counterclockwise, while the other one is the other way around. So it's doing this part, doing extreme left, and as you can see, the right headlight is turned on, the left headlight is off. Now what if I place an object in front of it? There, as you can see, the motor now moves forward and both headlights are turned on, so it went to this part of the program. And if I remove that, it will go back to extreme right. Okay, so that's it for tonight, Try, and I hope that it helped you to see the secret of our Kto12 robot, and as you've learned, there's a lot more that this Kto12 robot can offer us, and actually more than using the Arduino block. If you've learned how to use the Arduino IDE in program in C++, which is not that hard anyway, yeah, you would be able to do it, and you would still be able to use our Kto12 robot. So basically, this robot can range from elementary to high school level, even up to college, or even to hobbyists who wants to learn robotics, and this K-12 robot is really useful and very helpful. There we have it, Try. I hope that you enjoyed our episode tonight and that you learned a lot of things in our K-12 robot. And as you can see, there's a lot of secrets that our K-12 robot is hiding, but it's now revealed to you, and you now know where to get those sample programs that you can use in your projects, or you can use as a basis when you're making your when you're programming your K-12 robot. See you next week.